Artificial intelligence is everywhere now. It's writing scripts, editing photos, generating music, and even making entire movies. But the real question is, when it comes to video projects, which AI tools are actually worth using? There are so many platforms out there, each one claiming to be the best, but the truth, most of them are overhyped. Some tools genuinely save time and help creators. Others? They're just cash grabs with fancy marketing. Today, let's dig into the top 5 AI tools for video projects and why they're both praised and criticized by creators around the world. First on the list is Runway Gen-3. This tool has been making headlines because of its mind-blowing ability to generate video from text prompts. You type in, "a dragon flying over a futuristic city," and within minutes, Runway gives you a video clip that looks like it came straight from a Hollywood studio. Sounds incredible, right? But here's the problem. Creators are calling it both revolutionary and dangerous. Revolutionary, because indie filmmakers can now create stunning visuals without needing a giant budget. Dangerous, because it's raising questions about originality, copyright, and even job security. Why hire a VFX artist for thousands of dollars when Runway can spit out a scene in minutes? Professionals are worried, and rightfully so. This tool is powerful, but its very existence threatens to shake up the film and video industry in a way that might not be good for everyone. Second, we have Pictory AI. This platform takes long-form content, like webinars, podcasts, or even hour-long videos, and automatically cuts them into short clips optimized for social media. It adds captions, it adds music, it can even detect the most engaging moments in a video. For content creators drowning in editing work, this sounds like a lifesaver. But critics argue that Pictory makes videos feel robotic and repetitive. They say it kills creativity by pushing everyone toward the same cookie-cutter format. Think about it. If thousands of creators are using the same AI to chop up videos in the same way, won't everything on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts eventually start looking the same? Pictory saves time, yes, but at the cost of originality. That's the controversy. Is it helping creators? Or is it turning the internet into a bland assembly line of identical clips? Third on the list is Synthesia. This one is both fascinating and creepy at the same time. Synthesia lets you create videos with AI-generated avatars that look like real humans. You type in a script, choose an avatar, and boom, the avatar delivers your lines like a news anchor. For businesses, training videos, or quick marketing messages, this is gold. No need to hire actors, book studios, or spend money on cameras. But here's where things get uncomfortable. Many people argue that Synthesia is crossing into deepfake territory. The avatars look real, and while Synthesia claims it has strict ethical guidelines, we all know how technology can be abused. What happens when bad actors use it to spread misinformation? What happens when companies replace human presenters with digital clones? It's already sparking debates about authenticity and trust in online content. Some love it, some fear it. Either way, it's one of the most controversial AI video tools out there. Fourth, we have Descript. This tool has gained massive popularity for its ability to turn video editing into something as simple as editing a Word document. You upload a video, and Descript transcribes it instantly. Want to cut out a section? Just delete the text, and the video clip disappears. Want to remove filler words like and Click a button and they vanish. It even has voice cloning, so you can overdub lines without re-recording. It sounds magical, and for many creators, it's a game changer. But of course, there's controversy here too. Critics argue that Descript is making creators lazy. Instead of learning real editing skills, people are relying on AI to do everything for them. There's also the issue of voice cloning. If anyone can clone a voice, what's stopping scammers from impersonating someone famous or even someone you know? Descript makes video editing easy, but it also opens doors to ethical nightmares that society has never figured out how to handle yet. Finally, we can't ignore Adobe Firefly Video. Adobe's AI-powered addition to Premiere Pro. This tool allows you to generate B-roll, change scenes, and even edit backgrounds with simple text prompts. Imagine shooting a video in your bedroom and then telling Firefly to turn the background into a professional studio. It sounds like cheating. And maybe it is, but it's also incredibly powerful. Professionals love the flexibility, but many editors feel threatened. They've spent years mastering complex editing techniques, and now AI can replicate their skills in seconds. There's also the fear that Adobe is pushing AI not because creators asked for it, but because it's the trend. Some users argue that AI features make editing less about art and more about automation. Are we heading toward a world where anyone can be a video editor without knowing anything about editing? That's the debate, and Adobe is at the center of it. So, those are the top 5 AI tools for video projects: Runway Gen-3, Pictory, Synthesia, Descript, and Adobe Firefly Video. Each one is powerful, each one can save time, but each one also sparks controversy. The question is, are these tools empowering creators, or are they slowly destroying the craft of video production? Think about Runway. Yes, it lets small creators make epic visuals, but does it also threaten the jobs of visual effects artists who've spent decades honing their craft? Think about Pictory. Yes, it saves time, but does it also make every social media feed look the same? Think about Synthesia. Yes, it's efficient, but does it also blur the line between real and fake in dangerous ways? Think about Descript. Yes, it makes editing simple, but does it also invite misuse of cloned voices and fake content? And finally, think about Adobe Firefly. Yes, it makes editing accessible, but does it also strip away the artistry of real video editors? Creators are divided. Some embrace AI tools fully, arguing that they level the playing field and make video production more accessible than ever. Others reject them, saying they cheapen the craft and put human creativity at risk. And then there are those stuck in the middle, using the tools, but feeling uneasy about what the future holds. It's not just about convenience, it's about what kind of content we want to live with in the future. Do we want a world where everything looks polished, but soulless? Or do we want to preserve the flaws, the uniqueness and the human touch that makes video truly special? One thing is clear, AI is not going away. These tools will only get better, faster, and harder to ignore. The top 5 AI platforms today may not even exist in a few years, replaced by something even more advanced. But the controversy will remain. Technology always moves faster than ethics, and video AI is no different. For now, the choice is in the hands of creators. Do you embrace AI fully, resist it completely, or try to find a balance? That's the real challenge. And maybe, just maybe, the most important tool isn't AI at all, it is our ability to decide how we use it. That wraps up our look at the top 5 AI video tools changing the way creators work. They're powerful, fast, and sometimes terrifying in what they can do. The big question now is, are these tools empowering creativity or replacing it altogether? Do you think AI is the future of video production, or is it killing the art? Share your thoughts in the comments because this debate is only getting louder. Hit the like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of technology, creativity, and the controversies shaping our digital future.